Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some indoor garden ideas. Indoor garden ideas for your indoor garden space or green space. If you have a lack of outdoor space, you want edible greens even in the winter months, or you just love to surround yourself with plants, then why not create an indoor garden? The features of your indoor garden will depend on the aesthetic you are trying to create, your level of experience, the purpose for growing the plants and the conditions available. Not sure where to start? Here are some creative indoor garden ideas to provide some inspirations. Are you looking to create an indoor jungle but are worried you don't have the conditions to sport tropical plant? Okay, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends for these type of unique videos and new ideas. You could create a greenhouse environment inside a glass cabinet like this one from Idea Pill with leafy green beauties. This allows you to carefully control the heat, light and humidity. If you want to expand your plant collection, pass some on a gift, why not? Nature some cutting through the popular water propagation method. You can create it. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Also press the bell icon. And thanks for watching my video.